Because WoodUbend has the properties of normal wood, you can sand it. See those rough edges? This isn't good if you are trying to achieve a neater look. With a few strokes of sandpaper, the moulding is smooth. So you can treat it just like you do any wood surface. You can also drill it. When cold, the mouldings are just as strong as normal wood, especially the third generation. You can also miter your WoodUbend mouldings to create a perfect edge. Great for frames and edgings. Here we do this by placing the trims over one another and cutting off the edges. They still fall perfectly into place. After all, we're not furniture makers and we don't have the proper tools to create proper mitering. Curved surfaces are no challenge for WoodUbend either. After heating the moulding, we wrap it around the curved surface. But what happens if you break the moulding while you are using it? Accidents obviously happen, but the WoodUbend mouldings can be fixed back together seamlessly. Place the broken edges against each other and add a small amount of glue. Press them together on a flat surface, then you can wipe off any excess glue. Warm them up again and push one more time to ensure proper adherence. You'll feel them squidging into each other. Here you can see us applying the Dixie Belle Best Damn Wax in black to a moulding. First of all, look at how beautiful that wax is, guys. Second, see how well the moulding takes colour. As we said before, the mouldings are porous and therefore absorb paints, wax and stains. This is the no paint gel stain in walnut being applied to the moulding. I just love this colour on WoodUbend trims. It makes it seem like it's solid wood. You can also distress your WoodUbend mouldings using sandpaper. It gives you an instant, beautiful, dramatic effect.